Hello everyone, it's Mrs Edwards here, and it is time for me to talk you through your arithmetic task for the week. So this week in arithmetic you will see that we are using multiplication knowledge and we are solving missing number problems. And if you start on bronze, you are going to be concentrating on the 2s, 5s and 3s. If you are on silver, you are going to be concentrating on the 5s, 3s and 4s. And if you are on gold, you're going to be starting with the 4s and 8s. And if you move on to platinum this week, you will be moving on to doing 4-digit multiplication missing number problems. So, these are the kind of questions you are going to be seeing in your arithmetic this week. So let's have a look. How could we solve this? Well, let's look at the first one together. 7 multiplied by something equals 70. So we need to use the knowledge of our multiplications that we know. And let's look at the relationship we can see between 7 and 70. Now if you have a think about it, where might you see those two numbers together? It would be in your 10 times table, wouldn't it? So you would know that 7 multiplied by 10 equals 70. So you would put 10, oh my word, you will put 10 in there, but not that messy, Mrs Edwards, goodness gracious me. There we go, that's much better. Okay, so that would be your answer for the first question, wouldn't it? I better get rid of that now, haven't I? Mrs Edwards doesn't like a messy slide. There we go. Right then, let's move on to our next question. Something multiplied by 6 equals 18. Well, again, let's look at our knowledge here. 6 and 18. What relationship can we spot there? Well, we know that if we divide 18 by 6, what will our answer be? Our answer will be 3, won't it? So we know that 3 times 6 equals 18. Now then, if you're moving on to gold and platinum questions, they're getting a little bit trickier, aren't they? So let's have a look at this one together. So 240 equals something multiplied by 20. Now, remember the word I talk about all the time in maths, and I say it's an important one, scaling. So remembering that we can scale up and we can scale down, why don't we have a look at it that way instead? So why don't we scale it down, because both of those numbers end in a 0. So instead of saying 240 equals something multiplied by 20, why don't we say instead 24, let's cross that out, equals something multiplied by 2. Now what multiplied by 2 would equal 24? Think about your knowledge of the 2 times table and where you will get to there. Your answer would be 12, wouldn't it? Okay, but remember we've scaled it down, so we've now got to remember to scale it back up again to make sure our answer's correct, haven't we? So our answer won't be 12, will it? Our answer will be 120, because I've scaled it up, haven't I? Okay, so that's the kind of question you're going to be answering this week. I'm asking, you're answering. So there you go. If you want to pause the video for 1 minute and just have a little go at these two, and then I'll talk you through the answers. Okay, welcome back, and well done if you spotted that 9 multiplied by 5 equals 45, because there are 9 lots of 5 in 45. And well done if you spotted that 30 times 9 equals 270, because we're talking scaling again, aren't we? Okay, so here are your questions. Pause the video, you've got 10 minutes, you know where you normally start. Good luck, and then when you've done, unpause the video and I will put the answers up for you. Okay, welcome back. How did you get on? Here are your answers. work your answers out for me. Or how many did you get out of 6 today? Remember, if you've got full marks today, you can move on to the next challenge tomorrow. Okay, that's your arithmetic explanation for the week. I hope you get on all right with it, lovelies. Speak to you later. Bye-bye.